Hi, this is Dr. Nancy Lubo, and I'm going to tell you something about the two webinars I'm presenting and give you the four most important parts of a new trauma recovery model that I call cross-modal creative arts for trauma and mental health, and it is a neurodevelopmentally informed, brain-smart creative arts approach. It's a long time in the making as a piano teacher and a visual arts teacher before becoming a psychologist and working with at-risk populations. I've studied and worked on the psychobiology of trauma and creativity, and the four most important things I will share are what we need to make trauma recovery a creative process. The first is brain integration, and it must be horizontal and it must be vertical. In trauma, the two hemispheres, right and left, are split, and there's even less fibers in the corpus callosum connecting words with imagery and sensations and emotions. The cross-modal exercises cross those functions and bring online the nonverbal material and help a client link that information to his story, naming it to tame it, with emotions to see them and not be them. These are very important integrative steps. The vertical integration is for clients to be able to deal with their body's information, its wisdom, and also its intensity, and how the body's information can be brought up into the limbic system and through those and attached to those parts that we bring online with these exercises called the prefrontal cortex. These are the highest functions of the human being. They involve emotion regulation, fear modulation, response flexibility, empathy, self-attunement, and compassion for others. With these brain functions being aligned, we've watched people who could not understand emotion start understanding how to use the emotions once they see them, once they work with them creatively. The third and fourth parts of this recovery model are that we need an infrastructure, and the sanctuary model with the acronym SELF is something I was gifted to use by my mentor, Dr. Sandra Bloom. The acronym SELF means safety first, and then we can deal with emotions. If we build in each of these four domains through loss and into future, I use that model and take apart each domain, giving it an audio, a visual, a musical, a visual, a kinesthetic, and a verbal exercise to help people install safety, that help people dialogue with their emotions, and to help people manage their losses and envision a future. The fourth most important part of this recovery model is the word image processing technique that I've developed. These are exercises that in every modality will help a person link nonverbal material to verbal material and make that bond, that bridge that helps people understand their feelings and story some traumas that made no sense but can actually work for them. So come and join me and let me help you understand and experience exercises and theory that come together to make trauma a truly creative process in recovery. Thanks, and I hope I see you.